off topic, but my birthday is in 7 days. Anyway, go back to the rant. Don't you guys ever get so tired and you just push yourself to stay awake? Like, that's so funny. Like, tell your body, shut the fuck up. I don't want sleep. But after like 2 minutes, you'll fall asleep. Have you guys ever seen a video that... Woman, shut up. Anyway, have you guys ever seen those like videos that's like 81 hours long? 168 hours long. Those are like whole days. What? Anyway, Eggie.